The Mini Rhymes TV.
Hello again, little stars. Ready to sing with more animals from FtoJ? Let's jump into the jungle of joy. F is for fox, clever and sly, with a bushy tail and twinkling eye. He runs through woods so fast and light, playing hide and seek at night. G is for giraffe, tall and neat, with a long neck and dancing feet. She munches leaves from the tallest tree, graceful and happy as can be. H is for a hippo, chubby and round, splashing and playing where water is found. He wiggles his ears and wiggles his nose. In the muddy river he happily goes. I is for iguana, green and slow, climbing on branches wherever they grow. She loves the sun and likes to rest in her leafy jungle nest. J is for jellyfish, floating with grace, glowing gently in the ocean space. Wibbly and soft, she swims with ease, dancing with bubbles in the seas. FtoJ, that was fun. Animals dancing one by one. Sing with us and clap along. Tomorrow brings a brand new song. Yay, very good. Bye bye kids. Until next time.